Welcome back, everyone. You know, buying a home requires a loan, which helps pay off that mortgage, but how do you make sure that you're getting the best rate? I'll tell you how with the help of Jeff Snyder from Clarity Mortgage. Welcome back, my friend.
Good morning.
Good
I'm excited to
see
be here.
you. So am I. I mean, this is very important because that's the one thing, the percentage, the interest. Personally, I don't even know where to start, so help us out.
It is the biggest purchase that people make in their lifetime. And it's actually relatively simple. You really just want to, I can tell you the insider's secret on how to get a mortgage is just pay attention to the interest rate and the fees. Everything else is designed in the business to take your focus off of those two things. You want the lowest interest rate and you want really $0 in fees if you can get it in today's marketplace. So those two things, don't let places or different lending institutions confuse you about, we'll pay some of your closing costs. That doesn't really matter if they're charging you already too much.
True.
Also, you want them to, just be upfront with all the costs that they show you, and they don't want to pad your interest rate.
So what would you consider then a good rate, if any?
Well, you always want, again, focus on the rate and fees. You want two things. You want $0 in fees. Anybody that can't bring that to you is probably not working in your best interest, and you don't want them to pad your interest rate. So if you go and look, generally banks always advertise their rates. If you're at that rate or lower, you're probably getting a good interest rate, and then the fees. As a matter of fact, when I do my own mortgages and I buy my own home, how would I do it, right? That's what I might ask, right? So because I can't even do my own mortgage loan, it's not legal for me to do that.
Okay.
So what I do is I look around, just like anybody else would, and I look for $0 in fees. Anybody that's charging me is right off the table. I won't even use them. So I want $0 in fees. And then I do look at the rate, and if I'm actually doing a little bit better than what the banks are offering, then I'm in the right place.
Wow.
So.
And is it legal for people to be charging those fees?
It's absolutely legal, and it's up to you as the customer to shop around. And so you can't do any better than zero, so that's where we placed our marker for my company anyways.
Wow. And so how can people get started on making sure that you are the right fit for them?
Well, if you're at home and you want to buy a home, give us a call. It's 362-1244. That's the best way to get a hold of one of our representatives. We have a lot of people that call in that were told no at other places, and we love those customers, especially it's a success story when they call in and then they were told no, and then we tell them yes.
It's like, what? You're the person I've been looking for all my life.
Yep, they should have started with us probably. And then rates are at all-time lows. We did a very normal loan yesterday, and our customer got a 3.5% interest rate.
Wow, you are really making those dreams come true. And I feel like you're truly genuine. So I think a lot of you might not realize that there are those $0 fees out there, like with Clarity Mortgage. Why do people automatically think, only resort to that, oh, this is it, and they kind of sometimes stop looking around?
Well, just like buying a car or anything, just look around. Some people just lock in. Some people have been conditioned over time. They think bank, 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 and that's the only thing. Again, banks have 4 or 5 things. We just do mortgages. We have to be great at mortgages every day. Well,
you're a great person in general, so make sure you guys call Clarity Mortgage or go visit them at 2929 Moss Rock. Call now for a free financial analysis, 362-1244, or go to ClarityMortgageTX.com.